Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying how you will use the song and why that matters for rights. Identify the platform and whether you need sync, mechanical, or public performance licenses. Once done, decide if you accept a royalty-free track, commission a custom composition, or pursue a license for an existing song. Make sure to note budget and deadlines now, because that directs the next legal and technical steps. With those constraints settled, you can move directly into searching tracks or contacting rights holders. You now act. If royalty-free fits, read the license line by line and confirm commercial and platform permissions before downloading. Alternatively, identify the song's publisher and label. Email both with a clear usage request, state duration, territory, and platform, then negotiate fees and delivery timelines. If composing, hire a creator and use a written work for hire or exclusive license that transfers needed rights. Keep receipts and signed agreements. Once agreements are drafted, prepare to finalize payments and collect masters and splits information. You finish by collecting all signed licenses, invoices, and the final audio with explicit metadata. Store them where you can retrieve them quickly. Once the file is ready, register the usage with performing rights organizations if applicable, and upload a private test to check content ID or automated takedown systems. If a claim appears, you'll need your written license and metadata to dispute it. One troubleshooting tip: keep a single organized folder with contracts, payment proofs, and communications to resolve disputes fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.